Hello friends, welcome to my channel A to Z Delicious. Today we are making a very simple and delicious recipe of khajur barfi. Okay, this can be consumed in fasting also, and it's very healthy dry fruit barfi. It contains lots of dry fruits and coconut, and it is a healthy protein sweet dish, and it is sugar free also. Before going to the recipe, please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon for the future notification. For khajur and dry fruit barfi recipe, I have taken 400 grams of dates, 50 grams of walnut, 50 gram of cashew nut, 50 gram of almond. This is grated coconut, dry coconut, 25 gram I have taken. These are poppy seeds. I have taken 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 2 tablespoons of chironji. This is called chironji. And 2 tablespoons of pistachio, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or desi ghee. So let's go to the recipe. Friends, we'll have to chop these dates. Okay, we'll have to remove this part, and we have to remove the seed also, and we have to cut into pieces. Okay, and also we have to chop walnut, we have to chop cashew and almonds also. So I'll be preparing this chopping portion. So we are ready to make the khajur dry fruit barfi. I have chopped dates, okay. I have chopped walnut, cashew nut and almonds, okay. Even pistachio I have crushed a little. Now we'll light a gas flame. We'll dry roast the nuts first. These are walnuts, cashew nuts, they should be slightly roasted to have a crunchy flavor. I'll add almonds also. We'll remove the transfer. In the same kadai, we'll add desi ghee. Okay, I'll add poppy seeds to it. Let it fry for a little. It should be on a very low flame. I'll add nutmeg powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, jaifal. Now we'll add the chopped dates. These are 400 grams of dates. We'll add dry grated coconut, two tablespoons of chironji. Nicely get a mix. We'll add cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of it, and we'll add all the roasted dry fruits, almond, walnut and cashew nuts. Get a nice stir, mix it properly. We can add different dry fruits also, like melon seeds or any other flakes which are full of proteins and good for our health also. Even you can add sesame seeds also, sesame, til. And we'll off the flame and remove it to the another plate. We'll transfer and let it cool. The mixture is cooling down. Okay, for it cool down, just get some mixture and make it in a cylindrical round shape. Okay, combine it all together just like we are making laddus. Okay, this should be combined. Okay, a good combination. Okay, so this is what now we'll roll onto the pistachio. Okay, and we'll keep aside. Likewise, we'll make all the dry fruits roll. I have taken this cling wrap, okay, and I will roll this. I'll wrap this into it just tightly. This way. Okay, just pack it like this. Likewise, we'll do the another one also. Like this, I have prepared all the dry fruits cylindrical balls. Okay, and now we'll keep this in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours so that they will be getting nice formed and we can cut it properly in the round shape. So we have removed this dry fruit roll from the fridge, which we have kept for 2 hours. Okay, we have wrapped in the cling film. Okay, now we'll remove it from it and we'll have to cut into the round shape. So khajur dry fruit roll is ready to serve. Okay, this is good for fast and it's full of proteins and very healthy to eat. Okay, and it is sugar free. As you can see, we have not added any sugar. So if you like this recipe of mine, you try at your home and share your feedback in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and press the bell icon for the future notification. Thank you. Take care.